Are you a designer looking for an ultimate all-in-one AI tool? You can do tasks like image generation, background removal, replace background and clean objects from your image and much more. All by just with this one tool. This tool is Clipdrop by Stability.AI. This tool has 10 different tools as you can see. So let's deep dive into the video. Let's check out each and every tool one by one. So the first tool is Stable Diffusion XL. Here you can generate images by prompt, and here you can also add styles, different kind of styles or aspect ratio. So let me just give a prompt. It will take some time. See how it works. I have given the prompt cat flying in the sky. It's looking good. This one is looking good. Let's check out the another tool, that is Reimagine XL. Here you can generate similar kind of picture of the images. As you can see, this is the one image, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth. See how it has generated 3 more images from this picture. Then the third tool is Stable Doodle, where you can just draw the picture and give a prompt. So let me make a drawing. My drawing is pretty bad. So I'm gonna write here Doraemon, and it will generate, hopefully it will generate from this drawing. Okay, it has generated some images, and yeah, this one is looking cool. You can generate more images by drawing if your drawing is good, like this. This is how the doodle looks, and this is how it will give you the photo. This is how it's looking in 3D and in the pixelated art. Now the fourth tool is Clean, where you can clean objects from the images. Let's try an example. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this balloon from here and clean, and it have removed this balloon. Let me remove this balloon from here too. Okay, so it has not removed the balloon completely, but yeah, it did the work. Yeah, now it's looking good. The next tool is Remove Background, where we can remove background from the subject. Let's try it out. Let me try this one. And yeah, very beautifully remove the background. And let me download this picture and see how it's looking. Okay, this picture is looking good, and yeah, it removed the background perfectly from this hair part. So the next tool is Relight, where you can adjust the light on your face, and let's check out with this example. Okay, so it already have given me some examples of light, so let me just change the color of light. Okay, this one is looking good, and I can adjust it by myself. See how it's looking. This looking good. Okay, the next tool is Image Upscaler. We all know we have a lot of blurry images, so let's try this out. And okay, it has also some feature of remove compression. It also denoise the image, and it also make the image sharper. Let's try out with this example. Upscale it to 2x and see how it works. Okay, so as you can see the difference, it's looking good. So next tool is the Replace Background. You can replace the background of your product, and you can show that product to the different backgrounds. So here it is replacing the background of this wine bottle. This is the text removal where you can remove the text from the image. Let's try it out. Let's try it out from the mockup. Okay, now I can use this mockup and it did its job very well. Let's try sky replacer. With this you can replace the sky of your picture. Let's try it out with this example. And let's try some different sky like this. So the sky has been replaced and it's also looking beautiful, and yep, it did its job pretty well. I have not checked out the uncrop tool. Let's check it out. So this is the tool. Let's try this thing. Okay, let's try this landscape. Okay, this looking good. Okay, so this is the landscape. I want to change this. I want to change this into the portrait. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, so it has generated some image which is not that much good, but yeah, you can use it. I think this is the best tool for the designers. It has a lot of, like, almost 10 tools, and when we check out its pricing, we can use it for the free. Like most things we can generate up to 100 per day, and it also give us some watermark. So that's it guys. If you like this video and if you want more design related videos, subscribe my channel, and you can check out this tool, and it's completely free. You can generate like up to 100 images per day, and in some of the tools it will give watermark, but if you like this tool, you can purchase this pro membership.